Whelen Aerospace is a group of passionate aviators on a mission to make the skies a safer place. Aviation is definitely in our blood here, and all we want to do is fly, design, develop product for aviation, and have a good time.
I grew up in an Air Force family, and I can remember at 7 years old in Ramstein Air Force Base watching F-4 Phantoms take off full afterburner. And so I had it in my mind early on from the age of 5, 6, 7 that it's something that I was passionate about and wanted to do.
So I started when I was 16. My first job was in pest control, so I would work a little bit on weekends and then I would save up enough flying money. I soloed a couple months after I got my driver's license, and ever since then, I've been hooked.
When I was 18, I received my commercial instrument multi. At 19, I did my CFI. I started teaching, private commercial students through tail drag instruction, unusual attitude training, spin training, aerobatic instruction. And then that moved up into some of the corporate world, jet time, ATP ratings, ANP, IA. I did all of that too. Aviation is my life. That's what I know. That's all I know.
I've been flying for over 15 years and have been actually purchasing Whelen product previous to my career at Whelen.
Whelen has always set the pace for innovation.
Stem back to 60 years ago, we put the first rotating beacon in general aviation and have grown from there.
Whelen Aerospace is vertically integrated, and we have the ability to make a product from top to bottom, from the printed circuit board to the machine parts to the injected molded parts. We have the ability to come out with new products faster than anybody else. Working closely with OEMs and working closely with customers, and being that we're all pilots, I believe that we have our finger on the pulse when it comes to new and innovative lighting products for airplanes.
It's pretty clear out there that if you look at the market share, our product is probably on more airplanes than anybody else's, right? Especially from a general aviation perspective. I had them on my airplane before I even worked at Whelen. We're always looking at ways to exceed FAA performance measurements that we're required to have. We know the importance of having great lighting systems on our aircraft, so it's something we take great pride in, and we don't stop until we're comfortable flying behind our own lights on our own airplanes.
We constantly are learning and finding that we need to make small tweaks as well as big design developments and push the technology, which I feel brings the best product to market and that we can put our name behind.
Flying behind our product gives me the ability to find maybe areas for improvement and talk directly about how they perform in a true and honest fashion.
What sets us apart from our competitors? I would say 100% it's the people that stand behind the product and also the knowledge we've gained over the last 60 years.
It's really cool to be involved with a bunch of really smart people who are passionate about this industry, and we're excited about what we do, and the energy that we have here is infectious.
I'm proud of what we've done at Whelen Aerospace to make aviation safer. One of the biggest things is mitigating risk and adding safety to all phases of flight.
When you're flying around a pattern and you see a bright LED beacon, you just can't miss it. It is a tremendous safety enhancement, and I think every airplane should have it.
What gets us up in the morning is being able to fly.
I fly because it feels like the most freedom you can have. You're above the birds, and I love it, and I love sharing that with other people too.
Oh, it's therapy, right? I like to tell people that when you're looking down on the world, it's God's view of the planet, and everything is left behind from a day-to-day perspective that you're facing when you're on the ground, and it's just peaceful.
We are pilots, we are aviators, and we are enthusiasts that are designing the products that we want to see on our own aircraft. Join us for the ride.